Ever wondered how you can tap into a simple niche using AI, putting in minimal effort while raking in substantial cash, just like what we've been doing on this channel? Well, today's your lucky day because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. There's a niche focusing on disturbing, mysterious ocean phenomena that's drawing millions of curious viewers. With low competition, it's a golden opportunity for passive income. And the best part, you can leverage this on TikTok and Instagram too. Stick around to learn more. Plus, channels like ours have the potential to earn up to $10,000 per month, totaling $120,000 per year. Exciting, right? So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's dive into creating our video script with some AI assistance. We'll be using ChatGPT for this part. Just head over to the ChatGPT website, where you'll find a place to type in questions or topics. For our video about weird ocean facts, we might type in something like, "Tell me 5 strange things about the megalodon shark." ChatGPT will take a moment to think and then provide a bunch of sentences that we can use in our video. Once we've got our script, we'll read through it to make sure it makes sense and sounds interesting. We might change a word here or there to make it flow better, but overall, ChatGPT does most of the heavy lifting for us. Here's a helpful tip. Head over to Google and double-check the information to ensure it's accurate, because we definitely don't want to spread any false information. Next up, we need some cool pictures for our video. Don't worry if you're not an artist or a graphic designer. There's a tool called Leonardo that can help us out. We go to the Leonardo website where we can ask it to create pictures based on what we want. For example, we might type in something like, "Show us what a megalodon shark looks like," or "Make a picture of a scary deep-sea creature." Leonardo's AI will then get to work, and before we know it, we'll have some awesome pictures to use in our video. When using Leonardo, choose the size of the images to be 9 by 16 and select Leonardo Diffusion and Creative for the style. Click on Generate, download the images, and repeat until you have about 10 to 15 pictures. All right, now let's turn those images into videos using PikaArt. PikaArt is a fantastic website that offers a free plan, so you don't have to worry about spending any money. Plus, with 250 credits available initially, and a refill of 30 credits daily once they're used up, you have plenty of opportunities to create stunning videos without any extra cost. To get started, head over to the PikaArt website. It's super simple to sign up. Just click on the Try Pika button and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see options for creating either an image or a video. Since we're turning our images into videos, select the video option and upload your first image. PikaArt's magic begins when you click on the star icon. Now, here's the cool part. If the video doesn't turn out exactly as you hoped, no worries. You can click on Retry and give it another go until you're completely satisfied. Once you're happy with the result, simply click on the download icon. Repeat this process for each of your images until you have a sequence of videos that tell your story in a captivating way. With our videos ready, it's time to add some voice narration to make them even more engaging. We'll be using a website called 11 Labs for this step. First things first, make sure you have your script ready. This is the text that will be spoken in the video, so it's essential to ensure that your script is clear, concise, and free of errors. Next, head over to the 11 Labs website and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a space where you can paste your script. Take a moment to review your script and make any necessary adjustments. This is your chance to add or remove words to make sure it flows smoothly and sounds just right. Now, it's time to choose a voice. 11 Labs offers a variety of options, so you can pick the one that best suits the tone and style of your video. Once you've made your selection, simply click on Generate Speech. In just a few moments, 11 Labs will work its magic and transform your script into a lifelike voiceover. Once it's ready, click on the download icon and your voiceover will be saved to your device. Now comes the most crucial step, merging the voiceover with our videos. This step is where everything comes together, so let's focus and dive right in. You don't need a super complex editing program like Adobe Premiere Pro for this. Any basic editing program will do. We'll use CapCut as an example, which is user-friendly and has all the essential editing features. First things first, download and install CapCut on your device. Once it's installed, open the program and click on Create Project. Next, import your videos and voiceover into the project. You can do this by clicking on Import and selecting the files from your device. Arrange your video clips and voiceover in the timeline. Drag the scenes next to each other and place the voiceover below them. This is where the magic happens. But before that, if you're curious about how you can use Leonardo AI to make more money, I'll be dropping a link down below in the description where you can learn more about it after this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get back to our topic. Now let's trim the voiceover by cutting out any silent moments. To do this, drag the playhead to where you want to make a cut, then click on the cut icon or press Ctrl+B. Repeat this process for each silent moment, then delete the silent parts. To add some visual interest, we're zooming in on the scenes. Click on a scene, then adjust the scale at the beginning and end to create a smooth zoom effect. Repeat this process for each scene. Now, let's add some transitions between the scenes to make the video flow seamlessly. Choose a transition from the options available and place it between the scenes. Make sure each transition is around 0.3 seconds long for a smooth transition. Once you're happy with how everything looks, select all the scenes, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip to combine them into one clip. Now it's time to adjust the clip to match the length of the voiceover. Copy the length of the voiceover, then paste it onto the clip and adjust its length accordingly. Next, let's enhance the visual appeal of the video. Click on the clip, go to the adjustment section, and add a vignette effect to create a subtle border. Adjust the color settings until it looks just right. For an extra touch, let's add some effects. Choose a noise effect and apply it to the entire video for added depth. Now let's add some automatic captions to make the video more accessible. Generate captions for the video, then customize the font, size, and positioning to your liking. Finally, let's add some music to set the mood. You can use free music from the YouTube audio library or opt for professional music from websites like Epidemic Sound. Once you've chosen your music, upload it to CapCut, place it below the voiceover, and adjust its duration to match the length of the video. And there you have it. The final video is ready. Hear how it should look like.
Enormous size. The megalodon was one of the largest predators to ever exist. Estimates suggest that it could grow.
If you liked what you saw, let's get creative. Use these amazing tools and start making fantastic videos today. And remember, the key to success is consistency. Keep experimenting, learning, and improving your skills. The more you create, the better you'll get. To recap, we started by creating our script with ChatGPT, which made the writing process much easier. We then checked the information on Google to ensure accuracy. After that, we created amazing images using Leonardo's AI tools and turned those images into videos with PicaArt. Then add a professional-sounding voiceover with 11 Labs and combined everything in CapCut to create a polished final product. By following these steps, we can create engaging and informative videos without needing advanced technical skills or expensive software. Plus, by adding transitions, zoom effects, captions, and music, we can make our videos even more engaging and enjoyable for our audience. Creating videos using AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo, PicaArt, and 11 Labs not only saves time, but also allows us to produce high-quality content. These tools are accessible and user-friendly, making video production easy and efficient for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, leveraging these AI tools can help you create captivating videos that your audience will love. Now, before you go, did you know that TikTok also offers a way to earn money? If you're curious about the best niches for TikTok and how you can cash in through the TikTok Creative Program, check out the link in the description box below. It's your chance to pick out the best niche that works for your account. Until next time, dream big, hustle harder, and I'll see you there.